Welcome to Autoride USA. Today we're diving into something truly extraordinary. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome, a rolling palace that redefines luxury travel and takes the Rolls-Royce philosophy far beyond traditional automobiles. This motorhome is designed for those who want absolute comfort, prestige, and exclusivity while exploring the open road. And from the very first glance, it makes a powerful statement. The exterior design is unmistakably Rolls-Royce, combining timeless elegance with commanding road presence. The iconic upright grille dominates the front, finished in polished chrome, with the spirit of ecstasy proudly standing tall, even on a motorhome platform. The body lines are smooth and sculpted, giving this large vehicle a surprisingly refined and aerodynamic look. Massive alloy wheels, adaptive LED lighting, and soft ambient exterior illumination add a modern luxury touch, especially at night. Despite its size, the design never feels bulky. Instead, it looks like a private luxury yacht on wheels, built to turn heads wherever it goes. Step inside, and the cabin feels more like a five-star hotel suite than a motorhome. Rolls-Royce craftsmanship is on full display, with hand-stitched leather, open-pore wood veneers, brushed metal accents, and customizable materials throughout. The lounge area features plush, reclining seats that can rotate and transform into a relaxing social space. A starlight headliner, inspired by Rolls-Royce sedans, stretches across the ceiling, creating a calming and luxurious atmosphere. The kitchen area is fully equipped with premium appliances, marble or quartz countertops, and hidden storage that blends seamlessly into the design. The bedroom offers a king-size bed with memory foam cushioning, soft ambient lighting, and sound insulation that makes the outside world completely disappear. The bathroom feels like a private spa, featuring a rainfall shower, heated floors, and high-end fixtures. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome delivers smooth, effortless power rather than aggressive speed. Under the hood, it's expected to feature a refined hybrid or advanced V12-inspired powertrain, tuned for silent cruising and strong torque. This allows the motorhome to glide over highways with incredible stability and minimal noise. Adaptive air suspension constantly adjusts to road conditions, ensuring a ride that feels smooth even on rough surfaces. Advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, and 360-degree cameras, make driving this luxury giant surprisingly easy and stress-free. Technology plays a major role in elevating the experience. A large central infotainment system controls navigation, entertainment, climate, and lighting, while rear passengers get dedicated screens and premium audio tuned specifically for the cabin's acoustics. Voice control, smart home integration, and high-speed internet connectivity ensure you're always connected, no matter where you travel. Everything is designed to be intuitive, elegant, and discreet, staying true to the Rolls-Royce philosophy of effortless luxury. Now let's talk about pricing, because exclusivity comes at a cost. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is expected to start at around $1.5 million, with prices climbing significantly depending on customization. Since Rolls-Royce offers near-limitless personalization options, fully bespoke versions could easily exceed $2 million. This is not just a vehicle, it's a statement of lifestyle and status, aimed at ultra-high net worth individuals who want the ultimate luxury travel experience. In the end, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is more than just a motorhome. It's a moving masterpiece that blends comfort, performance, and craftsmanship at the highest level. If luxury without compromise is what you seek, this rolling mansion sets a new benchmark for what life on the road can truly be.